Have you ever felt stuck on a financial treadmill? Bills piling up, your paycheck gone as soon as it arrives, and financial goals seeming impossibly far away? You're not alone. But imagine if there was a path to change. The path to your first $100,000. The core principle is simple. Earn more than you spend. Easier said than done. The secret isn't strict frugality, but creating a safe gap between your income and expenses. That gap is the key to getting started. Find ways to increase your income. Maybe it's a side hustle, a small project, or even turning a hobby into a revenue stream. Every extra dollar you earn is a step forward on your journey. Avoid the lifestyle inflation trap. As you earn more, don't let your spending automatically increase. Maintain your current standard of living and let that difference work for you. Next, automate your savings. Treat savings as a mandatory bill you pay to your future self. Set up automatic transfers right after you get paid. Out of sight, out of mind, but your money is still accumulating. Start investing. You don't need to be an expert. Begin with simple, effective options like low-cost index funds. Let your money work and grow over time. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone's journey is different. Sustainable wealth is built from within, not for external display. Patience is the most important virtue. Over time, your savings vault fills up. Money is no longer a source of stress. It becomes a powerful tool in your hands. No longer the master, but a servant to your goals and dreams. Looking back, you'll see hundreds of small footprints. Each footprint is a choice. Refusing an unnecessary item, automating savings, learning a new skill. Wealth is built from hundreds of small daily decisions, not one big one. That is the power of habits, not luck. The journey to your first 100,000 is the hardest, but once you achieve it, everything becomes easier. Start now with what you have. Save, invest, and believe in your journey. Your financial future is waiting for you to write it.